Oh, this is the content. No views. The people base for what? The new views. No views because if the YouTube account is analytics, it's very hard to find the viewers. In the technology, science and technology, the science and technology must good because the word of technology, your thinking is blowing up. The word of the universe creation from the universe because the word of the science and technology and science and health, the science and health, it's only the thinking, a good thinking, creating the self freedom. But the science and technology about from the universe creating the complete material living things you use every day, any material living things, for the beauty soap, that is the word of the combination of the health and technology. And the word of the people, the word of the novice, when the people is in the pregnant, you cannot see the original image of the people with the process. When the process is in this universe, the evolution of the fetus, the evolution of the old man, woman, going to the slim body and going to the growing old, if no connection from the original time of the 10 months process, going to falling down and dying, and mistaken way, because the one way of the song of the Helsing, that's the determining of the from the father going to the mother, from the father mother going to the father, and from the father going to the pair original. That is the word of the one way. Jesus. That is a song. That is a request. Why no views? Because the no views was of the analytics of the YouTube. The YouTube is judging. The YouTube is judging the word of the quality of the teaching in video recording about the content. Because this is my trial to me. This is my first vlogging starting. Because only at the past of my life, I focus on my work. I did not speak so very long speaking in storytelling to the people because only the work, full present for the work. Mhm. I talking to the people always good, and I storytelling always good because of the customer is must good to talk to the good talking and know determining about the lower body because the lower body is a very nonsense to talk to the people because I hearing in the people always talking to the lower body of the girl, the boy wants to fucking in nonsense dirt of the like the poo in pee, the word the poo, that is the poo in pee, and then the uwa is the fruit. Uha, the studying about the family member is giving the sicknesses. If you have a genius thinking, you must accept it. And what do you think? What is the meaning of the giving? That is only the teaching about the feeling, up to the thinking, awakening the I equal, and you determining what is the word upping to your thinking, and what is the image upping to your present. When you are giving the punishment of your family member, the word of Jesus Santo Espiritu, the word of punishment of the family member, and the Luxbel in the San Miguel, that is the word of punishment. That is the word of the content. The title, the word of the content. Ah.